Welcome. In front of me I have iPhone 12 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can turn off this device. So at the first we have to click on the power button and the volume up button. So I'm going to show you, it's right here on the right and this one is on the left edge. So at the same time we have to press them and keep holding. So let's do this. 1, 2 and 3. Keep holding. Now release and then just slide to power off. So one more time to turn it off, you have to click the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and after that just simply slide. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.